The national anthem of Germany, Das Lied der Deutschen. National anthems serve as powerful symbols of a country's identity, history, and values. They are not just songs but embodiments of the nation's spirit, pride, and cultural heritage. One such anthem that holds significant historical and cultural importance is the German national anthem, Das Lied der Deutschen, the Song of the Germans, often referred to as the Deutschlandlied, Song of Germany. This anthem has a rich and complex history that reflects Germany's evolution as a nation. The Deutschlandlied was penned by August Heinrich Hoffmann von Fallersleben in 1841, during a period of intense political and cultural upheaval in Europe. It was originally written as a poem titled Das Lied der Deutschen, which translates to The Song of the Germans. The poem was set to music composed by Joseph Haydn, an Austrian composer, and it became immensely popular. The song's opening stanza, Einigkeit und Recht und Freiheit, Unity and Justice and Freedom, became emblematic of the aspirations of the German people during the 19th century. It represented their desire for national unity, the rule of law, and individual freedoms. At the time, Germany was a patchwork of small states and principalities, and the anthem served as a unifying symbol for those who dreamed of a united German nation. However, the anthem's association with German nationalism also led to controversies, particularly during the era of the German Empire, 1871 to 1918, and later during the Nazi regime, 1933 to 1945. The anthem's use during these periods of German history has led to mixed sentiments about it. During the Nazi era, the first stanza of the anthem was used extensively, which begins with the words, Deutschland, Deutschland über alles, Germany, Germany above all. The use of this stanza in a nationalistic and militaristic context has led to criticism and controversy. After World War II, this stanza was abandoned, and only the third stanza was officially recognized as the German national anthem. The third stanza of Das Lied der Deutschen speaks of Einigkeit und Recht und Freiheit, and is more aligned with the values of unity, justice, and freedom. This stanza has been the official national anthem of Germany since the reunification of East and West Germany in 1990. Today, when the anthem is played or sung at official events, only the third stanza is used. The German national anthem, like the nation itself, has undergone a complex historical journey. It represents both the aspirations for unity and freedom and the darker chapters of German history. It is a reminder of the power that national symbols can hold, both in inspiring positive ideals and serving as cautionary tales. In conclusion, Das Lied der Deutschen is not just a song, it is a reflection of Germany's complex history, ideals, and challenges. The evolution of its use over time underscores the importance of historical context and the role of national symbols in shaping a nation's identity. Today, the German national anthem serves as a reminder of the importance of unity, justice, and freedom in a modern, democratic Germany. For more educational videos subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.